Okay, so that is all I have for you in today's video, and I hope you liked watching this video. I hope this video kind of helped you in some way or the other. And there's a few things that I actually do if I want to do like a monthly reset. I'm not very consistent with my video posting, but I'm trying my best to be consistent. However, for the past couple of weeks, or I would say 2 to 3 weeks, the life I was just sulking, and I needed to make sure that I and I had to go ahead and like get my life together, and hence I thought, you know what, let me just go ahead and share with you what all things that I like to do, so that I can go ahead and have a good start to my new month. So if you are someone who is new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and like this video if you did like it, and share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.